Hello, this is Benjamin John Pope, and this is a step-by-step minutes meeting with me, Ultragene, and what we're going to talk about is how you use Premiere to define a PNG according to the PNG being an animate document. So what I've done is I've created various PNGs which I am going to show you, and what I'm going to show you first is the PNG files layered in a way of creating a simple but effective either ident or Facebook cover photo. So it's got this here on the left hand side. It's just a ring, and there's different sized rings. So if I go to my file folder or ignition, etc, etc, I go to documents, AVI files, UG idents. I've obviously categorized my files. So this is what I've exported according to Adobe Animate. So what I've done is I've created this circle using Adobe Animate, which what I'm going to do now is I'm going to quickly show you how to make this file basically, which is a PNG IMG, which just means image file. So ring large. So this is the file, and all you do to export this file as just the ring and all the white to be not there, totally 0% transparency, you go to File, Export, Image. This is with Adobe Creative Cloud. Sorry about that. It should load up now. Bear with me 2 seconds while the document loads. And here we are. A perfect circle, or two circles, which have been developed. And I'm going to show you what this developed as a single image. So as a single image, this was a wallpaper. And I took apart the wallpaper. And made a wallpaper with it, which I then exported pieces of it. So what you want to do when you export one piece of your file which is going to create an ident or any sort of image animation, moving image. You want to split it up into pieces and import it into Premiere. So you choose PNG 24, transparency yes, hit save, and then choose a location. As you can see, this background or this wallpaper is using the same element, and in Premiere we've exported every element. So the background here is this file, the backing ident ring.png. So what I've done is I've exported each piece of this wallpaper. That's my logo. I've got loads of different files for that. That's what you should do. And then I combined this, as you see the mouse moving around the large ring, then there's a medium ring and there's a small ring, and it turned into, I've animated it with just a simple, if you go in Premiere, put all of your images on the timeline, select effects, double click it. In this preview window there is effects, which is here. I just clicked effects and I've positioned it, scaled it and rotated it. That's all I've done. And that eventually, when you've learned to animate it according to Premiere, and these files, these image files, it's these three and this one, it eventually turns into, and I go to documents, AVI files, UG idents, round ring ident, exported, and this is what it turned into. So what I've just said, you need to take note of the way you export a PNG and then use each layer of your created animate design file, each piece into an animation that works inside of your Adobe Premiere file. That was the minutes, which was a meeting in the exact right scheme of these 3 step-by-step tutorials. Thank you for listening.